Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yesterday, we discussed how to subtract using our fingers.
Yes.
Anirudh, what is 7 minus 2? Others, please be quiet. Okay. 7 minus 2.
7
Anirudh, 7 minus 2. How we will do using our fingers? We will open 7 fingers. Then we will fold 2 fingers. What's the yes, it's 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Diya Deepa, 6 minus 4. What's the answer, Diya? Others, please be quiet. 6 minus 4. Open 6 fingers. From that, you have to fold 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's remaining, Diya? 2. The answer is 2. Alhana, 4 minus 4. What's the answer, Alhana? 4 minus 4. Open 4 fingers. From that, you have to close 4. Fold 4 fingers. So, it's 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And today we are going to have a property of subtraction, that is when we add numbers, no, addition, that time we add 0 to a number, no, and we get the same number. 6 plus 0, 6. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 0, 2. 10 plus 0, 10. So when we add 0 to a number, we get the same number, or the answer is the number itself. Today we are going to discuss subtracting 0 from a number. Okay, subtracting 0 from a number. Now let's see. 4 minus 0. What will come? 4 minus 0, Joseph? Others, please be quiet. 4 minus 0. So we can open 4 fingers. Okay, 4 minus 0. So 4 minus 0 means we can open 4 fingers. We no need to hold any of the fingers. So what's remaining? What is the answer, Joseph?
4.
Oh, 4 itself. 4 minus 0, 4. Okay, now another question. See, Akshat, 5 minus 0. What's the answer? 5 minus 0, Akshat?
5.
Oh, open 5 fingers. Now we are not folding any fingers. 0 means nothing. So 5 minus 0, 5 itself. Deva, 2 minus 0.
2.
Deva, 2 minus 0.
2.
2. Rishikesh, 6 minus 0. What's the answer? 6 minus 0? 6. Yes. Now, Juana Maria.
Yes, ma'am.
2 minus 0. What's the answer? 2 minus 0? 2 itself. Now, Abhimanyu, 7 minus 0. What's the answer? 7 minus 0? 7 itself. Now, please listen. See, we can understand when we subtract 0 from a number. Jigsabi, what will be the answer when we subtract 0 from a number? What will be the answer?
The same number.
Jigsabi will tell me the answer. See, listen. 7 minus 0, 7. 6 minus 0, 6. 5 minus 0, 5. 9 minus 0, 9. 10 minus 0, 10. So, JCB, when we subtract 0 from a number, what will be the answer, JCB?
We
get the same number. Yes or no? We get the same number. Look, 9 minus 0, 9. 10 minus 0, 10. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 0, 1. Okay. So when we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. I will write some of the questions here. See, 7 minus 0. What's the answer? 7 minus 0, Sarah?
7.
7. Now, 6 minus 0. 6. 8 minus 0. 8. 5 minus 0. 5. 10 minus 0. 10. 15 minus 0. 15. 100 minus 0. 100. So from these examples, we can understand when we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. So in the case of addition also, subtraction also, when we add 0, we get the same number. When we subtract 0, we get the same number. Okay. So now let's write this in the notebook. So please take a notebook, all of you. Please take a
Fresh
notebook.
page.
You have to take a
Please
fresh
take a
page.
fresh page. Right.
Take a notebook, take a fresh page. At the top, you can write subtracting 0 from a number. Subtracting. Please write S U B T R A C T I N G. SUB. Subtracting. TRACT subtracting 0. ZERO. From a number. Take time and write. Subtracting 0 from a number. Subtracting 0 from a number. SUBTRACTINT. Subtracting 0. ZERO. 0 from a number. Now let's write the sentence. When we subtract WHEN, when we, please write, when we WHEN, when we, WE, subtract, SUBTRACT, when we subtract, SUBTRACT, 0. You can write in bracket the spelling. ZERO.
Ma'am, board
Yes.
not clear.
You are facing the network issue. That's why, my dear. When we subtract 0 from a number, comma, we get dash.
We get the same number.
Yes, Anirudh, we get the same number.
Ma'am, no finish.
When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. THE, the same, S-A-M-E. Same number. N-U-M-B-E-R.
Get the same number.
When we subtract 0 from a number, comma, we get the same number.
N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. Then
Vaishnavi, please turn on your video.
when we
Please read. When we
subtract
subtract.
zero
Others, please be quiet.
number we
From a
get
number. Others, please be quiet. Vaishnavi, please start once again.
this audio is disturbing.
When we subtract
When we subtract
0 from a number,
then there was
get the same number.
The same number.
We get the same number. Now I'm going to write some questions. You have to write the answer. Now here we have the first one. A. Seven minus 0. No need to tell me the answer. You can write answer in your notebook. 1 minus 0. C.
please
9 minus 0. D. 2 minus 0. 8 minus 0.
ma'am B question. Ma'am
S.
B question is what?
Seven minus 0. 1 minus 0. 9 minus 0. 2 minus 0. 8 minus 0.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I'll write it this side. You can write it down. After E, you can write F. 5 minus 0. G. 6 minus 0. H. 0 minus 0. I. 4 minus 0. J. 3 minus 0. When we subtract 0 from a number, Saravin, right? We get the same number.
Zero minus 0 equals to 0. I 4 minus 0 equals to 4. J 3
Okay, Chelsea, you can keep it down.
0 equals to 2. Say ha.
No, okay, Sai, you are completed. Okay, good. Okay, Giovannia.
Ma'am, Kevin.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, you wanna finish?
Okay, now let's discuss the answer. So here we have 7 minus 0. Shamin, Mohammed Shamin, 7 minus 0. What's the answer, Shamin? 7 minus 0. 7. Asher, 1 minus 0. 1. Emmanuel, 9 minus 0.
9.
Emmanuel, 9 minus 0. 9. Alan, 2 minus 0.
First,
Alan, 2 minus 0.
2 has completed.
Alan, tell me 2 minus 0. What's the answer, Alan?
Emmanuel has completed. Ma'am, also have completed.
2 minus 0 is equal to 2.
Emmanuel has completed.
Amy, please be quiet, others. 8 minus 0. Amy, tell me 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Devaran, 5 minus 0.
5.
5.
Yes.
Dean, 6 minus 0.
6.
6. Seraphin, 0 minus 0. What's the answer?
0.
Okay. Now, Ivania Biju, 4 minus 0.
4.
Now, Risa, 3 minus 0. What's the answer? 3 minus 0? 3. So, what do you understood from this? When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. Now, those who have completed, you can close your notebook. Those who have completed, you can close your notebook.
Ma'am, test.
Yes. Sriram is here. Sriram PR, are you present? No.
Ma'am, say her present.
All of you are completed. Let me stop sharing.
Yes.
Okay.
Not completed.
Okay, Anirudh, please complete it.
Ma'am, Karthik completed.
Okay, Karthi, you can close your notebook.
Sir, I've completed.
Okay.
Very good.
Ma'am, finish.
So let me stop sharing.
Yes.
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 So now you please listen. See, we can just revise the chapters time. After that, I will send the link in the chat box. Okay. So please listen here. In the chapter time, we started with the 2 new words. The words are earlier and, which is other word, earlier and later. Earlier or later are words used for events happening at different times. And earlier means before, later means after. Asher Sergeant, tell me the answer. See, the sun rises in the dash. Is it the morning, evening, or afternoon, Asher? Morning. Anna Maria, tell me the next one. We go to school in the dash. Morning, afternoon, evening. Hannah? See, I am calling out the name, no? So please be quiet. Hannah, tell me the answer. We go to school in the
Go to school in the morning.
Okay, good. Now, Nainia, please unmute and tell me. We play in the dash. We play in the dash. Is it in the morning? Evening. We play in the evening. Then, one day it is divided into 4 parts: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Some activities we will do in the morning time, some we will do in the afternoon, some evening, and some night. Now, the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon, what we call, Emmanuel? The time between 12 midnight to 12 noon is called, Emmanuel. The time between 12 midnight to 12 noon, what we call? Is it a morning, evening, afternoon, or night? 12 midnight to 12 noon. Okay, Serafin, tell me.
Morning.
Morning. 12 midnight to 12 noon we call morning. Okay, good boy. Inaya, the time at 12 noon, what we call the time at 12 noon? Is it a midday or midnight? The
Midday.
time at 12 noon.
Midday.
Midday. Yes, Joanna, it's midday. Now, some activities take less time to finish, some activities take more time to finish. Okay, so these are the points we have to remember in that chapter. And we also arrange, means write the activities in sequence. That also we have in that chapter. So let me send the link in the chat box. It's a simple chapter, no? Very simple. So I'm going to send the link. Okay, so please look at the chat box. You can mute your device. I send the link. Please check. Those who are facing network issue, you don't worry. I will send the same link in the classroom in the evening time. I send it. Type your name and touch your class.
Ma'am, can you send it again?
Yes, I will send the link again. Just 1 minute. Please look at the chat box. Kevin. You got it, Kevin? Kevin, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here we have the first question. The sun rises in the dash. Afternoon, evening, morning. No need to tell me the answer. Please be quiet. The sun rises in the dash. Afternoon, evening, morning. Question number 2. The time at 12 noon is called dash. The time at 12 noon is called dash. Morning, midday, midnight.
Midday.
Morning. Who is telling? Karthik. Now number 3. Earlier or dash are words used for events happening at different times. It's given morning, later, evening. Earlier or dash are words used for events happening at different times. Options are morning, later, evening. Number 4, we go to school in the dash. Evening, afternoon, morning. Number 5, Raju went to play after coming to home from school. When did he go to play? Raju went to play after coming to home from school. When did he go to play? Morning, evening, night. Question number 6, which of these activities is done earlier? Waking up in the morning, having lunch, showering. Which of these activities is done earlier? Wake up in the morning, having lunch, showering. Number 7, which of the following takes the most time? Eating chocolate, eating food, cutting vegetables and cooking food. Eating chocolate, eating food, cutting vegetables and cooking food. Number 8, filling a glass with water takes dash time than filling a bucket. Less or more. Filling a glass with water takes dash time than filling a bucket. Less or more. Number 9, the time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called dash. Time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called dash. Midnight, morning, evening. The last one is related to the school timetable. Observe the timetable carefully. Observe the class timetable given below. Which period is more in number on Tuesday? So you have to look at the timetable of Tuesday and find out which subject is more in number. Observe the class timetable given below. Which period is more in number on Tuesday? And it's given music, EVS, dance.
Ma'am, Chelsea got full mark.
Yes, good, very good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's a simple chapter, simple questions.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my phone is network issue.
So I will send the link in the group in the evening time, Giovanna Maria. So that time you can do it.
Ma'am. Ma'am, I needed completed.
Okay, good boy. Those who have completed, you may leave the session.
Ma'am, I missed one question.
Which question, my dear? Last question, it's a timetable. So you look at the timetable carefully and it is asked which subject is more in number on Tuesday. So look at the timetable of Tuesday. Look at the subjects Tuesday and find out which subject is more in number.
Ma'am, Mary has completed.
Okay, good.
Bye, ma'am.
So those who have completed, you may leave the session.
Completed.
Yeah, sure.
Completed.
Bye. Okay, Shamin.
I got 10 marks. I got 10 out of 10.
Those who have completed, you may leave the session, and those who got the full marks, congratulations. And those who got less, you don't worry. Let's say classes for the next time. Try to get the full marks. Shall I answer properly?
And Cassandra get 9.
Yes.
Ma'am, shut completed.
Okay, Asher. Good boy.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. See you. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
So those who are facing network issue, I will send the same link in the group in the evening. Okay. So let me stop sharing. You can continue. Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
So thank you for joining. Bye.
Bye,
See you
bye.
next
See you
class.
next class. Thank you. See you. Tata.